Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Mendener online banking account. This bank offers private and online banking, loans, financing, insurance, fixed deposit, and other related services. Now, firstly, you need to open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search mendener-bank.de and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here at the top right, you can see this arrow icon facing rightwards. You need to tap on that. And at the first, you can see the option login online banking. Simply click on that. Now again, you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter your VRNet key or alias number. Likewise, you need to enter your PIN number. Now after you are done entering your credentials, all you need to do is click on this option in the blue box. And after that, you will be logged into your Mendener account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.